Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to use Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4. Adding Google Wallet to your smartwatch makes contactless payments fast and convenient. Let's get started. First, make sure your Fitbit Versa 4 is fully set up and connected to your phone. Next, open the Fitbit app on your smartphone and tap on your device icon. Scroll down and select Wallet. Follow the prompts to add a card. You may need to enter your card details or verify them with your bank. Once your card is added, open Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4 by pressing the button and selecting Wallet. To make a payment, simply wake your watch, select the card in Google Wallet, and hold your Versa 4 near the contactless payment terminal. You'll feel a vibration confirmation when the payment is successful. That's it. You're now ready to make quick, secure payments with Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.